We here at the Quinta Inn here at the airport. That is the slowest door I've seen. And look what we have here. This is a original Montgomery A series, people. Hi. Cool. Phone.
Here, let's switch sides here.
This is like a fast hydro.
And up here. Hit one.
I guess you can say this is the only A series left in Indy. Plus there might be more, but
That's satisfying.
one. Okay, yeah. That's a fast hydro too. Certificate is way up there in the corner, on top of the door. That's kind of an unusual spot for a certificate. Glad we got filmed in Montgomery A series. Anyway, I guess that could be it for me.